The dessert everyone is talking about. Place the cookies in the muffin pan, mix cream cheese with powdered sugar, pour in liquid whipped cream, and mix again. Place a spoonful of cream on top of the biscuits. Boil Coke with starch dissolved in water. Pipe some frosting on top of the cream. Mix gently. Cover with another layer of cream. Add a little more frosting. And mix again. In the fridge for 2 hours. Remove the dessert from the pan. Melt the dark chocolate with oil. Pour the melted chocolate over the dessert. Decorate with cookie pieces. In the fridge for 20 minutes. Cut out a circle from the puff pastry. Prick with a fork. Brush with orange juice. Sprinkle with sugar. Bake for 20 minutes. Mix in the whipped cream with powdered sugar and Greek yogurt. Put half the cream in the pan. Shave the peel off the oranges. Cut the oranges into pieces. Boil the orange jam. Cool the jam. Put a layer of jam. Add another layer of cream and jam. In the fridge for 2 hours. Mix the milk with water, vanilla essence, sugar, ice, and lemon. Pour the milk into the glass. Cut the puff pastry into equal slices. Brush with orange juice. Sprinkle with sugar. Bake for 20 minutes. Place the puff pastry slices in the fridge for 2 hours. The famous raspberry dessert. Soak the biscuits in the milk. Place the biscuits on the food foil. Prepare the raspberry jam. Cool the jam. Spread the raspberry jam over the biscuits. Prepare the boiled cream. Cool the cream. Spread the cream over the jam. Place 2 rows of raspberries. Put the roll in the fridge for an hour. Mix the whipped cream with powdered sugar. Dissolve instant coffee and brown sugar in warm water. Add ice cubes, liquid whipped cream, and water. Sprinkle the roll with grated dark chocolate. Garnish with raspberries. In the fridge for an hour. The famous no-bake dessert that's driving the world crazy. Break the biscuits into pieces. Stir in sugar with cocoa and milk. Add butter. Boil the glaze a little. Mix the chocolate frosting with the cookies. Place the biscuits in the baking tray. In the fridge for 30 minutes. Stir in the sugar in the saucepan with starch and flour. Pour milk. Boil the cream while stirring continuously. Add vanilla essence and butter. Mix again. Pour the milk cream over the biscuits. In the fridge for 30 minutes. Prepare the Nutella chocolate cream. In the fridge for 20 minutes. Pour the chocolate cream over the milk cream. In the fridge for 2 hours. No-bake dessert that I can never get enough of. Soak the biscuits in the milk. Place the biscuits on the tray with cling film. Mix the sour cream with powdered sugar and whipped cream. Add hydrated gelatin and frozen berries. Stir in the cream. Pour the cream over the biscuits in the pan. Cover the cream with a row of biscuits soaked in milk. Refrigerate for 2 hours. Mash the strawberries with sugar. Pour the juice into the glass. Add some ice cubes. Fill the glass with milk. Tiramisu recipe in 10 minutes. In a glass bowl, dissolve the coffee in the water. Cut a part of the biscuits. Dip the cookies in the coffee. Place the cookies vertically in a container. Stir in the sugar in the saucepan with starch, 2 yolks, milk, and lemon juice. Boil the cream a little, add milk, and boil the cream until it thickens. Melt the white chocolate. Mix the melted chocolate with the milk cream. Pour the cream over the biscuits. In the fridge for 3 hours.